What's up, my beautiful family? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My beautiful name is Makena J, and if you're clicking on this channel for the first time, please consider subscribing. I know nowadays I don't post much. Some of you reach out, you ask me what's wrong, why are you stuck like this? Guys, sometimes you just gotta let everything just flow. So today I'm here because I want to show you a house tour. Don't mind my colors, they're clashing by my hair. I don't want you to see my hair. It's giving old age. It's so old. I need to undo it. Struggles of a black girl in Africa. So I'm going to show you my house. Some of you are not actually believing I'm living next to my mom. Let me tell you, I did not move far away from my mom. It's just here. This is our home, and I'm going to take you in. You see my room. What I did simply was me moving to the next room. There's a house that was not rented like for so long, so I talked to the landlord, and the money I'm paying for that house is not even like, it's so little. The landlord was like, this house never gets a person because it's not built to the standards. It's supposed to be a 1 bedroom, but it's not built to the standards, so people don't rent it. It has never been rented. It was rented only once. From that time, it has never been rented. So I was like, I talked to the landlord, and she allowed me to stay there just for a small fee of like buying for her chai. Chai is tea, like, I don't know if you understand. So let me take you to my home. So this is a gate. My mom is at home, my aunt is around. So this is our home, right? This is our water. This is where we get water. This is the washroom. As you can see, there is more houses around here. So everyone gets their own house. Like this one is empty. Let me show you. This one is empty. You see? This is empty. This is actually our tank. There was someone who moved out there. They moved from that. I don't know if you can see. They moved out and they gifted us back everything. Like, living in such places, like Africans just live together no matter where they are. Let me show you something else that we got as a gift, but a very long time ago. So this is my house, guys. This is my house. There is a door. This is where I'm getting through. I have some of my shoes here. Actually, this shoe, one of them got lost. Don't mind my shoes. I was wearing them yesterday. So you get in from here, and I have a small mat. Electricity has actually gotten lost. My house, like, welcome. This is my house. You simply get inside and you can see everything. But let me give a bit of explaining. Hey guys, me then I'm scared of saying some things because, okay, you see these curtains, they are my boyfriend's curtains. Let me do like this so that you guys can see me. The reason my boyfriend gave me this, it's because, like, in Nairobi, he doesn't have a place, but he has things that are kept somewhere. So he was like, I can give you some curtains for your new house, and they're really cool. Just look at them. I love them so much. Yeah, so this curtain and they belong to my boyfriend. So here at my door, I've put this curtain here where I hang. The original idea was to be hanging these small things like you know how you can lose the key in the house. So I simply hang my padlock, my keys. These are some small scissors, and even the bags. There's no electricity. I have some bags. I hang it here when I want to go out. It's easier. And on this side, guys, I've kept these. It's a wake up, pray, and house. So this one keeps falling. That's why you see it's not here. I have put it inside this sticky thing, but every time I stick it here, it falls. This one, like this for hustle and this for wake up, they usually fall, but I don't know what my brother did to this one. It's not falling nowadays. So I'm yet to find a solution. And on this, I bought this one just to make it look like there's like a small plant. Yeah, guys, another thing, me, I'm a lover of flowers, so I bought this flower and this one and thought it's a good idea to keep them here. You see, like just on the door. So yeah, and on my bed you can literally see everything. This is my bed. This is my mom's bed. Yeah, this is my mom's bed. She gave it to me. Yeah. Like literally I took most of the things from our home. Like when we were sleeping in the other house, I used to sleep on this bed. So I told mom, because I'm just moving to the next room, let me go out with my bed. Yeah, so the reason I moved out, guys, our house was so small. I don't know, go and check out that other house tour that I gave you. Our house, our home, where I live with my mom and my siblings, it's very small. So right now there's a lot of space in the house, and also me, I get to live comfortably just like them. I really love my bed. It's so cozy. Look at that. I bought this one yesterday. This dolly. Do you know how much this costs? Okay, it's a second hand. So this is like, it was 50 Kenyan shillings. 50 Kenyan shillings, that's like 50 cents. And the house looks cute. Eh? Yeah, look at that. And down here, this is where my electronics are. And also another thing, like this is the extension. This is that phone that I gifted myself during my birthday. And then this is my power bank that I bought when I was going to Uganda. And a small mat. So guys, this room, this actually, I told you it's a one bedroom that is not to the standard. There's no need to show you that. I only use this. This is my room. So the other day I actually installed Wi-Fi. Look at that. I installed Wi-Fi because, guys, let me tell you, you see, buying bundles every day, it's expensive. Like I did a calculation. I sat down, I did the calculations, and I saw in a month I can use like 5,000 Kenyan shillings for Wi-Fi. And I was like, I calculated the cost of Wi-Fi. This Wi-Fi is only 22,500 Kenyan shillings. So it is cheaper for me. Like, it's affordable. Like, instead of buying bundles every day, this is cheaper. I don't know why I never thought of that at first, but I think this other time that I opened my other channel, go and check it out, Diaries of Mac Energy, that's when I realized Wi-Fi is cheaper than buying bundles every day. So I have my table. I eat, sometimes I eat from here, but most of the time I eat from the bed. I eat from here, study from here. Anyways, I'm not a student, but you know, sometimes you need a table. Yeah. Oh, this is my necklace. I removed it that day for like protest, because like when you're going to protest, always take off your metallics, because you know someone might even pull you and choke you, or even the tear gas can stick, the water cannons, you know how it messed up the protest was. So this was actually a gift from my sister. I don't know if you remember the other necklace that I was wearing, and that's where I removed it. My sister was like, it's time to take it off. It's time for a new one. I'll take it back. I'll put it back, but it's just here. It's so cold. And I have a candle, guys. You know one thing about me. This candle, can you believe I bought it in January, the beginning of this year? But when I moved here is when I started burning it. And I also bought another dolly yesterday. I thought it's cool, like when it's there. Let me show you my neighbor's window. Look how cool it is. Look. Yeah. Like, I thought it's cool, so I decided to put mine here too. It's a small monkey. And then there's this vase I bought in Gikomba, and I decided to be collecting flowers and put them there. These are natural wild flowers and some grass. They'll dry. I need to change them. On my bed, I have these for keeping mosquitoes away, you see? And this is where I keep my shopping. Okay, I don't have a lot, just normal snacks. This is my shopping. Let me show you. You see that? I have some Weetabix. I have Indomie and spaghetti. Okay, apparently I don't know how to cook spaghetti, so that's why I haven't cooked them. Ever since I bought them, they're just there. I don't know how to cook them. I saw someone from another vlog buying them, and I thought it's cool. And I have milk, of course. Okay guys, I don't have a refrigerator to store my milk, but you see this milk, it doesn't get spoiled very fast. So I have a few milks here. Most of the time I actually like this milk. We cook it from our home. Even though I have it here, we cook it from home. Now I need to put them back. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is where the router for the Wi-Fi was. Oh, look at my bed. I love it. It's so cozy and so cute. And now, one of my other treasured things in this house is my closet. Guys, I love this closet because let me tell you, if it wasn't here, I know I'll not be able to plan this house the way it is. So this is my closet where I put my clothes. Look at that. I know my camera tends to be a bit dark, but I hope you can see. And I also put some bags over here. I'm planning to buy something like this again and put it somewhere here, so that I can be hanging these handbags. Yeah, this one I bought when I was going to Uganda. Yeah, bought when we were going to Uganda. And now welcome to my kitchen. There's nothing much to see here, just where I put small things, cooking oil, some cloves. Okay, most of the time I don't cook from here. I won't lie to you because I'm literally just at home. And my kitchen window, I was making this tea inside here. Oh, coffee, not tea. I was trying to make cappuccino with that. And here I have a small flower pot. I put it here and I think it looks cute. So something else I wanted to show you guys is this plate. These are my mom's plate. These ones. This stand, this is my boyfriend's as well. Anyways, these are my mom's plate. You see this plate? There's a woman who was moving out and she gave them to my mom. They are one of the best plates. They're just so cute, but they're heavy, and that I just love them. And I think because my mom doesn't use them, I think they make my kitchen look really great. Look at that. And now for cooking, this is what I use. This actually, okay, let me turn up the electricity. It uses electricity. Yeah. Right. Oh, there's no electricity right now. It's a coil. And I keep my drinking water over here, and there's my laundry. And let me show you where I store. I have stored some of my clothes here, like this. And I also donated some of my clothes when I was moving here. And I have small mat here. Oh my goodness. Oh, you have to be careful with the clay pot. You see this clay pot? I bought it this year, and I store. We cook githeri with it at times. But when you're cooking with a clay pot, I realized Like when you're cooking with a clay pot, it's best to cook with firewood. You can't place a clay pot here. You'll use a lot of electricity because this is clay. Before it catches heat, it takes a lot of time. So I keep some of my food spices here. You know, a girl gotta have these ones. Yeah, I'll return it later. So on my floor, I have a white, it's a carpet, a paper carpet. You see, you can actually take it off because the house is not tiled, as you can see. So it's a pretty decent room, which I love so much. I really love this room, guys, because like I can, every time I wake up in the morning, I can do a morning routine. Like, oh my goodness, it's so cute. And some of you, like some of my friends who watch me, were asking me, when will you bring us to your house? Guys, especially men, I cannot bring you here. Like, I'm literally at home. Like, you know, someone like a space, your personal space is actually a sacred place, but guys, it's at home. Unless you're a female, like I would be comfortable to bring a female around here, but imagine being a boyfriend, not a boyfriend, like a man who is your friend, to your house, just in front of your mother. Like, that would be shameless. Being shameless, you have no respect. Like, yeah, that's why I can't, guys, bring you here for a housewarming or whatever housewarming party. So in this house, one thing I would love to have is a cooker because, guys, I would love to bake a lot. Yeah, I would like to have a cooker and maybe a fridge. Yeah. Please go and subscribe to my other YouTube channel, Diaries of McKenna J. Most of the videos I'm shooting from here, just days of my life. I hope you love the content. Go and subscribe and watch to the end. And if you love it, leave a comment. Anyways, I'm going to thank you so much for watching this video to this end. I really appreciate you. Please subscribe if you haven't. And thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video and tell me what you think about today's video. And yeah.